Ilhan, how are you?
Good.
Oh, your voice now is stereo, stereo voice. Okay. You need an exercise book. You need to write down. This one you cannot do mental. Okay. You are using which book? Are you using this one, Discovery, or you're using Think?
Discovery.
All right. So, okay, here we go. Okay, we try. Can we try? We have already started on this, right? So, can you try to solve the inequality for
I
x?
think this is express stream.
Which one? You are in
That,
express stream.
no, that I think that's the express one.
No. This is not. This is the. Okay, as you can see, this is your book, right?
Oh
This
no,
norm.
no, that's
Huh? This one's your book,
that,
right?
no. That I think that's the activity one.
Yeah, activity book. So yeah lah, I'm using the activity book to do. So this is covered in your textbook lah. You don't believe it's chapter 1 inequality? You have your teacher say there's no inequality.
Yeah, we haven't learned that.
Yeah, so inequality will be in chapter 1.4. You got your textbook with you?
Oh no, is that in class?
It's in class. Okay, so you are probably doing 1.1, 1.2 lah. Okay, we can go through some of that. We can go through some of that, and but it will lead to actually 1.4. At the end of 1.4 is this. Okay, I tell you what. I write a question for you. You see whether you can do lah.
All
Okay.
right.
That quiz, pop quiz is actually a summary, So okay,
Oh,
this one a summary of the whole unit, but it's okay. You are supposed to express this as a single fraction. You know, single fraction, having
yeah.
the same denominator. So you try, you see whether you can do lah. You need paper for this one, You try that.
Is answer 9x plus 12 over 10.
Yes, well done. Okay, so it's easy for you, All right,
Yeah.
so we move on to the next one now. We move on to the next one. You can see the screen, Okay, we are gonna go to equations now. Okay, this time is with, if we try, So, sorry. Can you try this? Equals to 3,
All right.
You got the answer?
Oh, no. Okay, listen. Is the answer 45?
Well done, well done. Okay, well done. That means, okay, so I'm bringing you to the next level. Let's see whether we are able to do this. This is plus. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
I'm not sure if my answer is right, but I got 15.
15 is okay, not correct. But can I have a look at your? Can you take a photo and send me? Can I take? Or you can show me either one. You want to show me? You just put up like that. I can take a photo also.
This.
Okay, just hold on. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. You got 21 over 5 over 5. Or 15
Yeah.
over there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me just check. Okay. Come on. Okay. All right. So down here now, you times by 2 to make it 4, is it?
Yeah.
So you get 18. 18 over 4 minus, down here, okay, this one is plus. So you get 1/4. So what do you get? X plus 18, is it? Over 4?
Yeah.
So the problem down here is one thing down here. You have 4 down here, is it? What happened? Can you explain to
Oh,
me?
because I wanted to remove the denominator.
Okay, the denominator down here is 1. So you times by 4, you get 4. You get 4x here. Is that what you were doing?
No, I times 4 to get all the 4s.
To get rid of all the 4s.
Yeah.
So you times 4, you times 4, you times 4, then you get 4 down here. So 4x minus 3, x plus 18. Okay. But this one is 4x. Why
Yeah.
are you going to cancel the 4? You cancel the 4. You don't cancel the 4.
All right.
Correct. So you get
Yeah.
4x is equals to 21. You bring the 3 over there, equals to 21, right? Minus 3, you bring over, become plus 3. So now you got 18 plus 3 equals to 21. Correct. Minus, you
Yeah.
bring over, become plus. So become 21 here. So this one is 21. And then 1x or x, you bring over, become minus 1x. 4 minus 1 give you 3x. 3x is equals to 21. X equals to 21 divided by 3, get 7.
Oh, all right.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
more or less, you know the method. That's good. So you know that if you divide by 4, you must divide all by 4 or times all by 4. Yeah, that's correct. Well done, well done. Okay, so now we are gonna go back to this one. Okay, you try now. Quest the bottom one of it.
All right.
Yeah, this one. 8x over 2x plus 1 equals to 3. Can Ilhan?
My answer is 5
5,
and a half.
5.5. Okay. I need you to show me again. Come, you show me your. Bottom. Is it bottom? Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. Thank you very much. Okay. Here we go. Okay. This time the photo has you in it. This one, right? Is this the one?
Yeah.
Okay, so 6. Okay. What do you do down here? You times by 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so correct. Well done. So you have done everything correct already. Okay, first step is correct. That means your basic is quite good. Okay, sounds correct also. Times 3, okay, good. And then, okay, you bring minus the good, bring there. But 9 plus 3 is 12 lah, not 11.
Oh yeah.
So 12 divided by 2, 6 lah. Means you are
Yeah.
okay, you're okay. That means we are ready. That means we have the next topic is actually the topic on the one that I just shown you, like inequality. So we got to go through that. Okay, we try it lah. You don't you. I mean, you'll be faster than the class slightly lah, by maybe 1 week or so. So
Hold
we
on.
try.
I have the book for that one because
Okay,
I saw a book.
okay.
Is it this one?
Can I see what's the? Okay, you got a textbook ah? I can't.
Oh,
Wait. Let me show me again. 1.4, yeah. You're gonna reach this, you see. But you don't have your this book with you, the workbook you don't have, right? It's in school, right?
yeah. No, the workbook they don't give. They don't provide. Only the teachers.
So that means the teacher holds your workbook.
Yeah, only the teachers are given the workbook. The students don't.
Then
Only the
what are
text.
you giving? You got a textbook.
Yeah, only the textbook.
Okay,
The
then
teachers.
maybe we can go through the textbook. You have, okay, just give me one second, let me check. Textbook, I only bought the express one. Okay, never mind. Can we do the ones that I give first? Later, can you do me a favor now? Is there a lot of pages there?
For the
This book. You show me the first exercise. Can you just show me the first exercise? I'll take a photo here straight. See that? No, you go somewhere on the next page. The exercise page. Is there an exercise page?
exercise. Is it the try yourself?
Try yourself. Okay, never mind. I tell you, I'll write the question now. Here we go. Okay, then
All right.
otherwise I don't have the answer key. So a little bit, here we go. Okay, do you know how to read this?
No.
Okay, this is 3x. This is greater than 6. So if you have the thing opening like that, the part that's facing here is bigger, right? This is smaller. So this left side is bigger than the 6, but it's also equal to 6. So that means if I draw a number line, okay, I remove the equal down here. Now like this, now we have to simplify it. Simplify it means what? We try to find x lah. Okay, so what is x? This, imagine it's like an equal sign. So 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 get 2, right? Keep the sign like that. So what does it mean? That means the value of x is more than 2. For example, down here is 0, 1, 2. So I can draw a circle here. I put an arrow. This is a number line. This is called number line. That means the value of x is more than 2. If I color this one, you know what it means or not? Color means equal, no? Means it become like that. X can be equal to 2, can be more than 2. For example, your mother give you more than $2 a day. Then I write this is your allowance more than $2 a day. But it can also be equal to 2. Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to give you some sums like this. You try to do it. Later on, there's just one part you need to remember. Okay, I'll come to that in a moment. We try now. You try, yeah? Okay, you try now like that. What is x?
So do I simplify?
Yeah, you must bring the 7 over and whatnot until you get x now.
I got -1. X is you're muted.
So your sign is what?
Uh
Same direction, eh?
yeah.
-1.
Yeah, less
Okay,
than.
well done, well done. Okay, now I'm going to give you something that you have to realize for this one. Here we go. It's almost the same. It's almost the same. But it's going to be different. You try now. You think it's the same answer?
No. X is less than 6.
Less than 6. Hey, how you get this the same? Okay, hold on. We bring the 7 over, right? 5
Yeah.
minus 7 become -2, right?
Oh yeah.
But
Oh
same, right? Is it same?
yeah. Oh,
Is it?
because
Okay.
I accidentally 5 plus 7.
Okay. So, but down here now, there's a difference now. The rule for inequalities, when you divide or times by a negative number, the sign will flip. So now you want to divide by -2, correct? This one become positive, right? -2 divided by -2 become +1, right? Okay, -2 divided by -2, right? Become +1, right? You're confused. You're confused. Okay.
Yeah, I get
Huh?
it.
You get it?
I get
Become
it.
+1. But because you divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign like that.
Oh, so does it mean like negative number should be less than?
No, not less than. Every time you have a sign in one, that let's say my sign like that. Let's say minus 3x equals to 6. Then I want to find what is 6. 6 divided by -3, I get -2, right? Because I divide by negative number, this one go like that now.
Oh, all right.
Every time you times or divide by a negative number, it switches straight, opposite
All right.
direction. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's the only thing that you need to remember for this one. Okay, there's a plus how to draw the number line. So let us I'm going to draw a number line. Can you annotate?
No.
You cannot.
Yeah,
You don't know
because
how to do not
no,
use your
annotate.
phone.
I think it's only for no. I'm using laptop.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Then I will do the reverse now. I'm gonna draw like that. Can you tell me what's an inequality? What sign? What number? Like this.
Uh,
X
X minus
minus 1.
1, yeah, and 0.
No. This one now. Okay. So you must understand down here. The value of x is such that it can go all the way very far. It will
Oh.
never go here. So x is what? Greater than -1 or smaller
Oh.
than minus?
Greater.
Greater. If you say greater means it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, because
Oh
3
no
is
no no.
huh?
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay. Do we put the equal sign?
No.
But if I color down here, then you must put. Okay, yeah. So now
Yeah.
I'm going to give you, okay, maybe try another one, another color. This one down here. Okay. What is this now? X?
X is greater
Then
equal
equal.
1.
No, look down here.
2.
So now I'm going to ask you to do a range. Let's say now the red one is like that. This red one, eh? Can you see like that? X is within this range here. So what is X? X?
X equals to -1, greater than 2.
Greater than 2, right? So, no, but down here, X is not greater than 2. Now, the green is not inside, you know, only the red only. This red part only. X is only in the red part. X can be this, X can be this, X can be this. So how? It's a range, you know.
X is less than 2
X is less than 2.
2,
Good.
equals to
Equals,
1.
yeah, good. And X is more than?
X is more than 1.
More than negative 1 or equal to. So now you notice, you can put it as a range. This becomes a range. How to read this? You read one side first. X is equal, more than or equal to -1. You see, it goes more than or equal to -1. But X is also less than or equal to 2. So you can draw like that.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to draw something here. You give me the range. Can or not?
Yeah.
Notice one got color, the other one got no color. So I'm going to write it for you down here like that. And then you tell me now.
X is 3 is greater than X.
No, I say X is greater.
3 X is greater than 3 equals.
No, greater than 3, you go down here. Smaller than 3 lah.
Smaller than 3 equal.
3.
And X is greater than -2. Yeah.
Good.
No equal.
Yeah, correct. No equal. Well done. You have a look at your textbook. Do you see this inside your textbook?
Yeah.
So you know how to read all those already, yeah?
Yeah.
So like this, you can read the left side first. You see down here. X is greater than -2. X is smaller than or equal to 3. Okay, and you know how to represent a number line. Remember, without coloring and with coloring, there's two different meanings. Okay, I think maybe you are ready for the quiz. That thing we just try lah. We just try. We see how are you gonna down here. Can you solve the inequality down here? Can you solve this?
X is smaller than 4.
X is smaller than 4. Great. Okay, now how to, you tell me how to do this number line. You tell me to draw. Go where?
Oh,
sorry.
I can't see.
You can't see. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Okay. Where do I go?
0 to 4 backwards, like.
Backwards. So I put 4 down here. I put a circle. Yeah. I put a circle on top. Do I color the circle?
No, don't.
Don't color the circle. Arrow to the left.
Yeah.
Like that now. Okay. So that's how you represent it. Easy, no?
Yeah.
Quite easy. What do you call this thing? This thing?
Number line.
Number line. Good. So have you heard of rational numbers, irrational numbers? Have you learned that?
Yeah.
No.
Not sure.
Huh?
By time.
You heard that before? No?
Yeah.
So if let's say I give you the number, let's say you have your calculator, you
Yeah.
okay, you try to find, you know what's this sign, right? Square root, right?
Yeah.
You
Sure.
try to put square root of -4. You get error.
Yeah. Math error.
So you cannot represent this on the number line. Because where do I put? But you can write down this number. But you cannot show the number on. So it's an irrational number. Rational means, what does rational mean? Okay, we
Uh.
logical thinking. Irrational means that you are gila like that lah. So this is, let's say, a gila number lah. This gila number. Why gila number? Because you cannot show on the number line.
Oh.
So
Alright.
numbers that are real can be shown on the number line. Okay, but never mind. We move on to the next one. So again, this pop quiz, you know, is actually a revision of your whole first chapter. So this one you already can do. Can you try question number 2, please?
I got the answer.
What's your answer?
2 holes and 1/3.
2 whole 1/3. You need to show me your working. You show me again. You don't move on, don't move, huh? Okay, thank you. Just a moment, huh? Okay, Ilhan, let's see now. First of all, let me check whether you copied the question correctly. This is x minus 1 over 2, x minus 1 over 2, okay, equals to 4 minus 2x, equals to 4 minus 2x. Okay, good. So now what do? You times 2 down here. Good. You times the other side by 2. Good. Okay. All right, very good. So 8 minus 4x, correct? Okay. Now you bring the 4x minus 4x, mister. You bring over becomes what? Plus 4x.
Yeah.
Positive. So that means you will get 5x here. Correct?
Yeah. Right.
Then you bring the minus 1 over,
Positive.
don't forget positive become 9. Right? So 5x equals to 9. And then x equals to 9 over 5. Correct?
Yeah.
1.8.
Yeah, 1.8.
So this one you got no problem actually.
Yeah.
It's just careless error. Okay, good. I think you're improving in your maths. So that's very good. What's your secret actually?
Cause last year I don't to do my homework a lot. So then this year I want to change, but a lot of stress.
A lot of stress. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's part of parcel of Once you go to the polytechnic and the university, it's going to be even quite heavy lah. But after a while, you will enjoy it. You already enjoy school. Okay, but anyway, we try now question B now. Question B.
All right. That's right. I'm done.
Okay, what's your answer?
I'm not sure whether it's right. 2 whole 5/17.
Okay, you got to show me.
Yeah.
You got to show me. But maybe this one, if you move to the center. Okay. Back. Stop. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I'm still waiting for the screenshot to be. What happened? Screenshot. A bit slow. Okay, this is the one, right? Now, first thing I always do is I will check whether you copied the right question. So let me see. 2/5 equals to 3x minus 5 over x plus 7. Yes, okay, well done. So now let's see now. So you times by 5, and then you times by, okay, you know how to do crisscross?
Yeah, my teacher teach me.
Okay, very good, very good. So now I'll just mark step by step. So if let's say you want to check for your error, you got to go step by step. So this one is correct. 2x plus 14, correct. 5 times 5, 25. Okay, correct. So I guess now your mistake will be when you bring it over, you forgot to bring the minus plus. Minus 25, bring over, become plus 25. This one becomes 39. Well done. You bring over there 17x. So the book is having a problem instead of you. Let's see, hold on. Let me see, 2x. Plus 2x, you bring over, become minus 2x lah.
Oh yeah.
So become 13x equals to 39. 39 divided by 13 is 3. Okay, so again, chapter 1, I think you got no problem. You just need to be extra careful. Okay,
Yeah.
You seem to be quite all right lah. This is like a different Ilham I'm meeting. Okay, you're not playing basketball anymore.
I'm still playing basketball.
Okay, now can you see this one? Be careful,
Yeah.
There's a minus sign here. So when they say solve, means they want you to find x. There are 4 different terms you need to know. If they ask you solve, you must find the value of x. If they say evaluate, the word value is there. Can you see now? Evaluate. So that means you must find the value of x. If they say simplify, you don't need to find the value of x. If they say factorize, you don't need to find the value of x. If they say evaluate, find the value of solve, you must find what is x. That means your final x is something, something, something. Okay, you try.
Mr. Shay, I'm done.
Yes, yes. What's answer?
X is greater equals to 3 over 2/3.
Everything is correct, but you forgot something. The rule, the rule. When you
No,
divide,
X equals to X is less than equals to 3 over 2/3.
yes. You remember the rule, huh?
Yeah, I write it. I wrote less than, but I'm not sure because
Yeah, you should be confident, because you know why? In order for you to divide, once you divide by -3, the plus sign disappear, negative sign disappear, and so it's okay. All right, so you just remember you need to flip lah. Okay, okay, this one is the first one. Done. Wait. Okay, you try now. Based on your answer just now, you try to think what is the answer for this. You look at your answer.
Wait, for this, do I like?
You look at your earlier question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your answer, you tell me your answer again. X is
smaller equals to 3 over 2/3.
okay, like that. So you know what's the meaning of integer?
I forgot.
Okay, it's whole number. The whole number can be positive, can be negative, can also be zero, but it's whole number. So now what is the largest possible value of a whole number?
X smaller equals to 3.
So the answer is what? 3.
3, yeah.
This is the largest. It cannot be 4 because x cannot be more than 3 2/3. So the largest possible whole number is 3, positive
Yeah.
3. Okay, prime number. Prime number now, they want the largest prime number. Largest possible value of x for it to be a prime number. Prime number, numbers that can be divided by x and itself. 1 and itself.
For the prime number, I'm not sure how to do.
Okay, prime number, you tell me what's the prime number? Smallest prime number is what?
3.
3, some more? Less than that? 2.
1.
1 is
2,
not
yeah.
prime number.
Yeah.
1 is not, 1 only can divide by 1 and itself is the same thing. So 2 is the smallest, 3, then the next prime number is what?
5.
5, good. And then 7, and then 11. So down here now, what's the biggest prime number you can get?
11. Wait, no. 3.
3, yeah, that's your answer. Okay, you try 4A.
Mr. Shay, I'm not sure if my answer is right, but
Okay,
my
what's the
answer
answer?
negative 7x minus 3 over 12.
Okay, everything is correct except for one. It's supposed to be plus. Okay, let me. It's supposed to be plus 3. Can you just check whether there's a mistake there?
Oh, there is.
Okay. So
Yeah.
again, you know how to do this. Well done. So that means your chapter 1, you're already quite good already. So actually, if you just are consistent, A is within your reach now. Okay, now down here now, they ask you to substitute now, put in the value of x equals 3 into this thing that you have written, minus 7x plus 3 over 12. Can you put in the value of x being 3?
All right.
How do you get it?
Almost. Yeah.
Yes. What's your answer?
-1.5.
Well done. Okay, so that's okay, great. So down here now, this is your last question for the pop quiz lah. Okay, consider the first four terms of the sequence. 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the first four numbers lah. Okay, find an expression for the n term. So that means if I ask you what's the fifth term, you know what's the fifth term? This is the
No.
first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term. The next term is what?
5.
Fifth term is how much?
25.
25. Sixth term is?
30.
So if I ask you the 10th term?
50.
The n term?
No.
You know, if you can find out the 10th term means you did something to the 10th term. What do you do?
Times.
Okay, so your n term times by 5, right? So your n term, like that, is equals to 5n. What is n? N is the term. If this is the first number times 1, second number times 2, third number times 3, 10 number times 10, you get 50. So this is the expression for the sequence. You get it?
Oh, all right.
You get it? Okay, using your answer, find the smallest value for n. Smallest number for n such that n term is greater than 2021. Now you got to write this as inequality. You know what's an inequality? You know. There's no like that. Like that, something like that. Can you tell me what's or you try to write down what's the inequality? You can use the word n. No x around here, just n. So
and is
you can do the n is greater than
2021.
Okay. So now this n now is the number, the position. That's the first position. Second, actually you must write down this 5n because the 5n give you the number. You see, you want the number 5. What is the number 5? Is the first position times 5. 1 times 5. Number 10 is 2 times 5. What is 2? 2 is the position. 5 you times 5, you get the number. This one now we are dealing with number. If you just give position, your answer will be what? 2022 lah. 2022 is bigger than 201. So it doesn't mean anything. So now, if we put 5n here, we know this is going to be a number. You try to solve this. Then after a while, you get used to it. Don't worry. We need to have more practice. You find out what is n. What is n? Okay, you tell me now. N greater than what?
405 over 1/5.
404 or 405?
404 over 1/5.
Or 1/5 plus 1/5. So now they are saying, what is the smallest possible value for n?
404 over 1/5.
No. If I ask you 0.5, if I say the term is 1.5, what? There's 1, there's 2, it must be whole number. I can have 1.5, cannot have. It's like your register number lah. No, Ilhan, you don't have your register number. How many students in your class? Ilhan, are you there? You're frozen, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, your register number, let's say there's 40 students. Then the teacher called for number 30.2. No one can stand up, right? Because there's no such thing as 30.2. Same thing. This
404.
404. 404 is not bigger than
3.
403 is not bigger. This one is n is bigger. N is bigger than this number.
405.
405. That is your smallest. You get it?
Wow.
This is your smallest possible answer. What's your biggest possible answer? No n, right?
Yeah.
A million, zillion, billion. No. So down here, that's why they ask you for the smallest possible number. If they ask you for the biggest possible number, there's not going to be any end to it. So this is the 405th number.
So is it round out? Round out.
Round. Okay. See down here now, what is n? N term means by the position. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. So this now they tell you n is bigger than position 404.2. But there is no 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. There's only 404 and the next one is 405. Just like your index number. So
Yeah.
they ask you what is the smallest possible value for n. N cannot be 404 because it has to be bigger than 404.2.
Yeah.
So the smallest position is 405.
Alright. Oh, I got it now.
Get it, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
so this is inequality. Does it have importance in your real life? Yes, it does. But you will learn as in your working life, the ranges, this and that, you will learn. Okay, let me now. Yeah, so we have more or less run through the whole of it. More or less, you're okay. Okay, but we need more practice. But can I ask you now, do you have this book? I'm not going to ask you to buy if you don't have. You have this book, Noah?
Oh, no.
Does your teacher use the textbook?
The textbook, yeah, but then she doesn't write on it.
Does
Like she
she?
give exercise, like she copy from the book.
Then she get exercise.
Yeah, like she give us a copy of it.
So when she use every exercise or some only?
Yeah, some only.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. We try this one. We try one last question. I'm not teaching Ilyas today. I'm changing to Saturday. I told him already. So let us
Ah,
try down here. Let's see whether can you do this. You know how to do this? Find what's the value of x.
yeah, I think I should be able.
Easy.
Mr. Shahid, my answer is 6 over 2/3.
6 and 2/3. 6 2/3,
Yeah.
right? Okay, well done. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few things. Which one of these is a prime number? You tell me, okay? Okay, which one of these is prime number?
Uh, 16.
In 16 can divide by 2, can divide by 1, can divide by
Oh yeah.
4.
15.
15 can divide by 1, can divide by 3, can divide by 5, can divide by...
Numbers that can't be divided by 1, right?
No, can only be divided by two numbers, 1 and itself. So actually none of them are prime
None,
numbers.
yeah.
None, why I ask you like that? You know, to test whether you really understand or not. Okay, so you were okay. Can you name me a prime number more than 20? 21 can.
3.
23, well done. 23. So there is only one even number that's a prime number. What is it?
2.
Yes, well done. Why is 1 not a prime number?
Because it can't be divided by itself.
No, it can. Dividing by itself and 1 is the same thing.
Yeah,
So,
it can't be divided.
yeah, so it's not two numbers. The definition is two numbers. So do you think there's a very big prime number, more than 10,000, more than 100,000, or you think it's no?
I think there is.
So actually mathematicians are in the process of finding out what's the biggest. So they're like finding the star in the sky. What's the next prime number? And the next prime number is very, very big. You can check this on, okay, I put on here. You can see Google Chrome, right? Okay,
Yeah.
say prime number bigger than 10,000, let's say. So you have quite a number down here. See down here. These are all the for your info. You see, These are the prime numbers down here. Not the left side, the right side.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have numbers never ending now. We do not know, but how to spot like 2003? You gotta divide by 2, you don't need divide by 3, 5, 7, 9. You go divide. Sometimes the number like 51. Is 51 a prime number?
No.
No. Okay, let's see. 51 I think can divide by 17. I think. Because the number is so odd. It's another prime number. 51 is not here, see? So 51,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah,
50,
51.
yeah. 51 not here. So it's not a prime number. So how to find out? That's why for your exams, they will normally test you less than 100. But even the more than 50, normally they don't. Less than, normally is around here. Because it gets very complex, you see. Just for your information, it goes into, I do not know, let's see. They have listed how many prime numbers here. And you see in the thousands, you see up to 1,000. There's much more than that. Anyway, okay, we will stop here. You got any questions? Anything that you think you need help in?
Uh, for now, no, pretty
No.
sure not.
Okay, any question you do not know how to do, you message me or whatever, okay?
Because after this, I'm doing my homework.
Wow, wow. So this is a different Ilhan. Well done, Ilhan. Well done, well done. Okay, catch up with you next week. Okay, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.